Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I am going to present about my industrial training. So my name is Nur Amisha Azrin binti Rosli and I am currently doing my industrial training at Vitec Communications Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad. So next we go about my company. So my company is Vitec Communications Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad, and it is located at Industrial Area Tanjung Agar Semua, Johor. So this company is non-government company and it is the only one company branch in Malaysia. So this company was producing electronic products like headphones, speaker, DJ mixer and other electronic product. So actually this company originally name is Pioneer. However, in 2012, Vitec was by Pioneer and it was changed their name to Vitec. So currently Vitec was producing the Pioneer products, not the originally Vitec product. The next part is the structural activity of Vitec Communications Malaysia. So the managing director is Ken Chong. Mr. Ken Chong is from Hong Kong, China, because Vitec is found in Hong Kong, China. However, in this organizational chart, it is for the Vitec Communications Malaysia. As we can see, the director of Vitec Communications Malaysia is Puan Rosita Harun. And in this organizational chart, it shows that we have two teams, which are Team A and Team B. After that, we go to the scope of training or schedule. So this is my scope of training, or this is my scope of schedule. So I am divided into two parts, which are for the facility and also for the safety. As you can see, in my clothes, they have the logo. This is the safety committee logo. So I am going to do two jobs, which are for the facility and also for the safety. For industrial environment, it is divided into three parts, which are the working hours, working attire, and also the practice of occupational safety and health environment, which is OSHA. Actually, practice of OSHA is very important for every person in the company and also in everywhere. So for working hours, the working hours as a trainee and also the other employee is from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. However, if there is any overtime of work, they will work from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. And for 8 a.m. until 6 p.m, it is also that the office hour for this company. So as the employee, we are given into 3 break time, which are in the morning, in the afternoon, and also in the evening. So for the working attire, as the employee and also as the trainee, we must to use the ESD clothes and scarf or caps, and also we are must to use the ESD shoes. All the attire that we are using are being tested for ESD in order to take care of the quality of the product. If that has the electrostatic charge, it will affect the quality of the product that are produced. So in order for the practice of OSHA, as the operator and also as all the checker, they are must to use glove in order to check or to do their work at the PCB, which is the main part of the product. It is because by using glove, it can prevent the scratching at the products. And also it is a must to use the wrist strap for their safety to prevent the current of electric. And also the main part is the fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher is very important at all location. In case just have a fire, then we are must to use a fire extinguisher. And the fire extinguisher in this company are easy to reach because every parts have the fire extinguisher, and me as the safety committee will check the condition, will do inspection at every fire extinguisher, and also will do the editing and updating the plant location for emergency. So next we will go to the working experience, me as the trainee in VTech Communications Malaysia. So for me, since I was work into two parts, which are for this facility and for the safety, and this is for the facility, my job is for the maintenance of machine and also for the renovation, and the last part is for the collect data. So collect data is a daily task for me to do the report of the power consumption. So next, for the safety, me as a safety community in the VTech Communication Malaysia, I was divided into two parts of jobs, which are fire extinguisher and also for the accident, which are in case accident or injuries occur in the factory. For the facility, for the maintenance, I was required to check for the air conditioning and for the machine. So as we can see in the first picture, it is the plant location of the air conditioning in the factory, and this is show that I need to refer to this drawing to check the condition of the air conditioning. And also the next picture is the machine. There are a lot of machine in the factory, and I need to check the specification of the machine, calculate the power consumed for each machine in 24 hours, and also I was included into the doing the maintenance of machine. So in every week, I will check for every machine used in the factory. For the every department have which are the MI department, the AI department, and also the SMT department. All this department, I need to check all the condition of the machine. And for the renovation, since right now in the factory they are doing the renovation to make the production area become bigger, so I was also included in this project, which I need to editing and draw the plan layout of the location of the machine of the department. So as we can see, this is the screenshot from the AutoCAD. So right now currently I am doing the editing and drawing the plan layout of the machine, and also coloring the location since it is need to be sent. So the next picture is the originally plan layout. So from all picture, I need to edit and redraw it to form the new locations of the machine, the new locations of department. So it is tough for me to learn AutoCAD since I am the mechanical engineering student in UiTM, and we are using the CATIA software, and it is good for me since I need to learn the software AutoCAD. So as for my daily task, I need to collect all the data of the electric usage, the product quantity for both team, for team A and also for team B, and also I need to collect data of air conditioning, the compressor, and also all the any component that use electric. So from all the data I collect, I need to do the report, which power consumption report, and also the sustainability of KPI report, and also I need to send both report into the company. So next, for the safety, we are divided into two parts, which are for the fire extinguisher and also for the accident or injuries. For the fire extinguisher, as I said before, I need to do the inspection, which checks every condition of the fire hose, the alarm, the fire extinguisher itself, and also I need to do finding and send the report to the safety officer. Do finding is I need to check whether the the parts of the fire extinguisher, is there any obstacles or not. If there, I need to let the staff remove all the parts and to make the fire extinguisher safe and easy to reach. And for the accident, for me, I need to check the cause of how it's happened, and I need to do the report and also send it to the safety officer. So next, we move to the industrial projects. So they are divided into three, which are the plant layout, the safety, and also the machine. So for the plant layout, it is important for an engineer to fully understand the plant layout, not only the drawing of the plant of the factory's location, but also all the entire drawing layout. It is because when it becomes to fixing, it depends on the layout drawing. So it is very important to understand the drawing, because anything happen, we need to refer back to the drawing, because in drawing it shows every position and how to fix the problems. Next, for the safety, every engineer also must be aware of the acknowledge and the importance of the safety. It is essential in order to ensure that all the users are safe in all aspects. So for the conditions of every machines, of every locations in the factory, it is important for the engineers and also for me as a safety community to check all of that. So for the machine, every machine must be utilized in detail by engineer or by the technicians. So engineers and also the technicians must understand how to choose the suitable machines and their specifications in order to understand how much the power is consumed and how to save the energy. Since we are in the 2023, so we need to less use of the energy, so we need to save the energy. During my 7 weeks of intern at VTech Communications Malaysia Sdn Bhd, I obtained a very great deal of experience and knowledge with the assistance of the staff, the operators, and also my supervisor, because they give me a lot of knowledge that I haven't get it before. For example, I can learn and perform all the course assigned to me, as well as how the production line in this factory. I can learn several types of machine that I didn't know before, and also I can improve my communication skill with the other engineer, with all the staff here, and many things I learn. Also, I can learn about electronic job scope, about the electrical job scope, and the other jobs that I didn't get in class. Also, during my internship, I also able to discover that all the theories acquired in university, which is in the class, that are relevant to my job scope, such as the fundamental of electric and electronic, the automation, and also the air conditioning, which is I have learned theoretically in the class. But here during my internship, I learn it physically. I doing it hands-on, and the others, a lot of things I learned here. That's all for my presentation of industrial training since I was intern in the VTech Communication Malaysia, and thank you.